Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for your school has designed an amazing summer camp for you. So there are 5 tracks. There is designing a Arduino Bluetooth car. Then there is becoming a published author. Boss camp where you get to do some 5 case studies. Filmmaking. And I'm missing out on one, programming, Python programming. We've already come out with 39 published authors. So, these are 3 books that have been published by us. This one was with students of Vasant Valley, and it was also appreciated by Ruskin Bond. So the idea with this class is to get your children to learn and think sequentially, and then after that write a longer format. So all the stories written in these books are somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000 words long, and we train children, it's 7 days, 21 hours of rigorous training and activities, and then after that one-on-one sessions to actually get these books out. There are unlimited one-on-one sessions for editing, drafting, redrafting. So this process, when you look at the entire course, it includes the cost of also publishing the book, and it comes with a guarantee that your child's story will be published, because we will ensure that every child reaches a level where they can be published. The second one, remote controlled car. You will be getting this kit where the child will be assembling this car kit. It includes an Arduino Uno, and you will learn how to design the app that controls this car as wow. And the entire kit is included in the price. So 21 hours they learn the basics of robotics. They learn how to program this Arduino. They also understand a little about sensors, and they get to actually build this car using an app. So they get to design the app as well. So this is the second course. The third course is programming, where children actually learn Python. This course is expensive because we have expert trainers who are coming and teaching you, and you will learn how to code a game or any project of your choice should you decide not to program a game. So the fourth course, that is Boss Camp, is actually conducted by a company called Think Startup, and they do case studies that are ranging from McDonald's to Godrej to some of these popular brands that you know of, and the problems they faced and how they tackled them. So this is a strategy class, and it's also coupled with some lessons on financial training, financial literacy. So that's the fourth camp. The fifth camp is filmmaking, where you'll be learning how to make a film. So that would include scripting, shooting, camera work, editing, all of it, and set building, and all of it basically. So all these activities will be done in teams. So please, to take the best experience out of this, we would also request you to come in larger numbers, so that we can actually, if you look at it, equipment for filmmaking is expensive. All your equipment, everything is included within the camp, and the school is curated and come out with the best possible price and compilation, so that children get an eclectic bouquet of courses to choose from, and they actually learn. 21 hours of intensive experiential learning is what we're looking at during this camp. So if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to us. There's a number provided in the poster that was given to you. So that would be great. Thank you.